Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Canadian Money Talk. I had to redo my RRSP using ETFs when I moved my RRSP from Qtrade to Wealthsimple in March of 2025. I wanted to have a portfolio all over the world, Canada, US, developed markets, and emerging markets. But I also wanted technology and small caps for a little extra oomph, extra volatility, and growth. I also wanted to start doing RSP meltdown at 60 in 8 years. So I wanted something that if the market was down in 8 years, to have money to pull from. So I got 5% in bonds, but I would also be willing to use it as an opportunity fund before then. Now you can see the asset allocation with percentages. I underweighted the US, but it is still about 40% of my portfolio. And by the way, asset allocation just means where you put your money. Now, something you're supposed to do is rebalance every 6 to 12 months. This is selling high and buying low in your portfolio, and it gets you back to the desired asset allocation and risk profile. Rebalancing has a positive impact on performance as long as it is done on similarly performing but uncorrelated assets like stock ETFs, which have performed differently in short periods of time. Then the difference will be about 1 to 2% a year, depending on the study, and of course, it always reduces risk. Now, looking at September 9th, 2025, things have moved. The whole portfolio is up from 470,000 to 525,000, but it is also now out of balance. The asset allocation has changed. Canada is now 15.5% of the portfolio and the bonds are only 4.6%. So conceptually, I have less bond safety than I wanted. I'm doing this rebalancing mostly for an illustration, but why not? The Excel took about 10 minutes and the transaction about 5 minutes. So what you can do is calculate in Excel what you need to get back to the initial percentages and asset allocation. The formula is current percentage less target percentage all times the total current portfolio. Now this gives me what I need to sell and what I need to buy, and when you add up that column, it should total 0. Then we do the transactions. In Wealthsimple, there's no fees. So I first did the 4 sells and then the 3 buys. The portfolio is now back in balance to the original percentages. What happened is I took some money off the table from the high performers and put the money into the piggy bank, the bonds, which I might use if there's a crash or if I need to pull the money out at 60 and the market wasn't doing very well.